Hey guys, so this is the second video of UiPath Task Capture tutorial series 2025. And in the previous video, in the first video, I just explained complete overview of the task capture. I covered every minor detail in that video. अगर आपने वो video अभी तक नहीं देखा, then go and please watch that video. I'll just mention that video link in the video description, right? And today in this video, I will explain how we can capture the screenshot and how we can create a complete PDD. Right. So before we start this video, if you have any questions regarding UiPath or regarding previous video regarding UiPath Task Capture overview, so you can just ask me on my LinkedIn, on my Instagram, and in the comment box. Right. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Right. So for creating the PDD, I'll use RPH Challenge website for capturing the steps. I'll just open UiPath Task Capture and go home, click on new document. And here we have two options, build diagram and capture process. So build diagram, we will discuss in the next video in a detail, right? As of now, we will discuss how we can capture process, how we can create a complete PDD. I'll click on capture process. So when we click on capture process, it's preparing for capturing that environment. So after complete that process, we will get this screenshot are automatically captured for every mouse click, right? Here, like clearly mention every mouse click, each mouse click, So I'll click on start capture. Okay, so I'll click on new tab. So it's capture one screenshot for the new tab. And I can mention title here. Click on new tab. Here, I will write RPA challenge. Right, I'll open this one. So it's already captured the screenshot and I'll copy this one and I can mention here open URL. Which URL? That complete description I can mention in the action description detail. Right, just copy and paste this URL. Right. तो जो डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है और जो टाइटल मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है दोनों डिफरेंट चीजें हैं बट ये कहाँ पे प्रिंट होंगी आई विल शो यू इन द पीडीडी राइट कंप्लीटली सो सेकंड स्टेप इज आई विल क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट बटन सो इट्स ऑलरेडी कैप्चर्ड दैट स्क्रीनशॉट एंड after that what is my next step I'll enter the first name so I'll just click here first name what is the first name I'll enter the random name John here Marty last name and the company name ABC and the company role consultant, right? And this type of detail I'll fill in this form in this website and I'll click on the submit button. This is my first steps, right? And the second I'll repeat again and again, right? So I can mention the repeated steps in my PDD as well. I can edit that PDD. So as of now, here you can see like we have covered only 12 actions on this screen as of now. And what are the limits here? 488, right? If I click on pause, so I can just open other website. It will not capture that screenshot, right? Let's suppose here, I just want to open another RP challenge website, right? And I just want to go to input form, right? Or any shortest path. So I'll just click here but I did not capture these like 2 to 3 steps, whatever I have done, right? I just want to capture next screenshot directly from here. So I can just click on resume, it will start capturing, right? And for the stops, if I want to just stop capturing the screenshot, I'll click on the stop button. So here we have one option. If we want to detect same screen's actions, right? So what is the same screen action? So on this screen, if I have done like 4 to 5 steps, so these all the steps are not different screen. These all the steps on one screen. अगर guys मुझे एक ही स्क्रीनशॉट के ऊपर अलग-अलग हाइलाइटर लगा के उसको मेंशन करना है तो वो एक बेटर आइडिया है. So for that idea, we have this option detect and merge same screen actions, right? If I want to click on detect, it will detect the same screen and okay, here we have 8 mergeable screenshot form. Instead of adding one highlighter on one screen, we can add just 8 highlighters on one screen, right? So as of now, I just I do not want to merge all the screenshot. I'll just click on cut button, like that cross icon. So here we have one workflow as well. So in this workflow, we have two rectangle and one circle. So circle, it means like we are starting our workflow from here, and like we have two rectangle. It means we have worked on two different screens, right? Two different screens. It means like new tab is a different screen, and second screen is RP challenge Google Chrome, right? On first screen we have covered only two actions that took 28.9 seconds. In the second screen we have covered 10 actions that took 46.9 seconds, right? And if we want to add one more, like if we want to add any other like rectangle or any other actions here, so we can just add here, right? If I want to add decision box, right, I can mention here, and I can add other sequence here, empty sequence. And in the decision box directly we cannot edit here. We will click on this decision box and edit description here, right? If browser is closed, right? This type of condition we can add here. Browser is closed. If this condition will successful, what is the next step? I can add it here. Stop the process. Okay, I'll delete this one. This is a decision box. I can add here. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो मैंने लिखा इफ ब्राउजर इज क्लोज्ड, अगर ब्राउजर क्लोज हो चुका है, राइट, देन हमें क्या करना है, हमें जाना है स्टॉप प्रोसेस पे. सो आई चेंज दिस वैल्यू हियर, यस. एंड ब्राउजर अगर क्लोज नहीं हुआ है, देन we will go with these all of the actions, right? So this type of actions we can add here. और ये जो पूरा वर्क फ्लो कहाँ पे शो होगा, इसको बनाने का मतलब क्या है, ये शो होता है पूरा पीडीडी में, राइट? मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा बाद में जब पीडीडी को एक्सेप्ट करूंगा. If I want to end this one, and I can just add one more event here. Okay, so if I want to add color here for the end process, I can just change the color here. For the end process, we can just keep it as a red, right? For start the process, we can just keep it as a green, right? So these type of actions we can do here. And if we want to edit all the extra screenshot, if I want to delete extra screenshot or edit any screenshot, just click on first screen. What is the first screen here? New tab, right? Or we can edit this one as well. First screen, right? New tab. And this one we can change second screen, right? On the first screen we have only we have two screenshots. And if I want to edit first one, just click on edit button. I can just edit action from here, right? I just want to delete second one because both screenshots are same, right? Just go and remove first one. And here you can just zoom out this one. Okay, so जो highlighter यहाँ पे है वो highlighter completely visible नहीं है इस screen पे. So I can just drag and edit this highlighter here, right? This one. Okay, and if I want to edit this highlighter as in a different color, right, I can just change this highlighter from here, purple color. So when you create a PDD as a business process and you have a, like some confidential tab opens in your browser, and if you want to hide that, so I'll click on blur. I just want to blur these all the tabs. I can just blur here, right? Okay, ये यहाँ पे complete हो चुका है. And if I want to go back, I'll click on back to diagram. और ये by default save हो जाता है, right? If I want to check the property here, so I can just check property as well here. If I click on this checkbox, apply style to all element on the same type, right? Okay, same type के जो भी elements होंगे वो style सब पे apply हो जाएगा, right? Like कौन सा style, जो भी color वगैरह हम यहाँ पे देने वाले हैं. Okay, so second screen पे मुझे action check करना है, so I will go on this action tab and I'll click here, edit actions. Okay, so we have multiple options here, and we have one option, highlighter. So what is the use of highlighter? Okay, so if I want to highlight this one, okay, so I can just add highlighter here. Or if I want to highlight this screen, like we have to work on this screen mainly, so I can just highlight this one. Okay, and we have one more option here, grab text. What is the use of grab text? If I want to grab this text, so we have like one option to just select this complete text, right, and recognize. So it will grab this text. It means like get text activity, like right, and it will be copied in our clipboard. If I want to paste here, so this text copy same to same, right, and it will be paste here. So like अगर कहीं पे use है इस चीज का, then we can use this options, or otherwise we can skip this options, right? What is the use of sequence? Okay, go to the next screenshot. This is start button. Okay, so here we have start button color orange and we have highlighter color is already red. So यहाँ पे बहुत confusion create हो रहा है, समझ नहीं पा रहा कोई कहाँ पे click करना है. So we can add one sequence here, or we can add one arrow here, right? So this type of arrow I can just add here, or I can just change the color as well. So we have multiple text box here. यहाँ पे हमें नहीं पता कौन सा वाला text box पहले fill करना है. So we can just add here first, right, and second, last name, third, email, okay, and fourth, company role. So this type of actions we can edit here, right? Go to the next screen. If you see here, we have one more options. This is a click icon, I mean plus icon. What is the use of plus icon? If I will click on this plus icon, so we have two options, capture more actions or add empty actions. I will click on add empty actions. तो यहाँ पे empty actions print हो जाएगा. If I want to add some titles here, descriptions here, we can add just here. Or if I want to remove, we can just remove here. If I want to capture one more screenshot, we'll click on this capture icon. It will be preparing for capturing the environment. As of now, I don't want to capture any other screenshot, right? Okay, here we can edit this outline as well, right? And we can change color, we can change outline width as well. I can remove a shadow, I can add shadow here. I just want to add title here. First name. What is the first name? I can mention in the description box. Add any new name, right? This type of text we can just mention here. And guys, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो we have two similar screenshots here. So here we have to decide like which screenshot we have to delete, right? Second वाले में यहाँ पे name भी print हो रहा है. So I just want to keep second screenshot and I can just delete first one, right? And बाकी सारे screenshot भी हम इसी तरीके से यहाँ पे edit कर सकते हैं, right? And if I just want to add, delete or merge same screenshot, I'll go on edit. Here we have one option, detect same screen actions. Like I'll click here, just click on detect, and I just want to review detect. So I click here. If I want to merge all the detected, I'll click here, right? So it will automatically detect mergeable screenshot and just created the group here, right? First group, this one, second group, this one. Okay, sorry. Here I'll click on edit actions. फर्स्ट स्क्रीनशॉट यहाँ पे ठीक है, सेकंड वन भी ठीक है, ऑलरेडी एडिट कर चुके हैं. ग्रुप वन में यहाँ पे मल्टीपल स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑलरेडी एडिट हैं. सो इफ यू वांट टू split merged actions, I'll click here, but as of now I don't want to split all the screenshot, right? I can just edit here, and on the description we can just mention address and company name, right? This type of details we can edit here. Okay, so if we see fourth screenshot, it's extra screenshot. Like I can just remove here, and on the second group, like जो भी चीजें रह चुकी हैं, I can just edit from here, right? Enter email and click on submit button. I'll go on back diagram. Okay, so यहाँ पे सारे steps मेरे complete हो चुके हैं. If I want to just create a PDD as well, so I will click on file, document property. I can just change the name here. RPA challenge PD. Description, I can copy and paste same. author Ankit, right? And I'll click save. Go on edit. Okay, sorry. Go on file, just export. If we want to export as a PDD, so it will be export in a Word document. अगर मुझे स्टूडियो में एक्सपोर्ट करना है, सो इट विल बी डायरेक्टली एक्सपोर्टेड एज अ डॉट जेमल फाइल। और फर्स्ट वीडियो में मैं ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूँ कि स्क्रीनशॉट्स सॉरी सेलेक्टर्स कैसे कैप्चर होते हैं किसी भी एक्टिविटी के लिए। एंड इफ आई वांट टू एक्सपोर्ट एज अ डायग्राम, सो लेट्स क्लिक ऑन डायग्राम। सो अगर जेपीजी इमेज में डायग्राम्स को एक्सपोर्ट करना है, आई क्लिक हियर एंड क्लिक ऑन सेव। सो इट विल बी एक्सपोर्ट इन दिस फॉर्मेट, राइट? If I want to export as a Word document, I'll click here. So these all details automatically filled. Click on next, template view. We have two options, automation of PDD or UiPath PDD. As of now, I'll click on UiPath PDD, or here we can just add our own template. So this add template, I'll explain the next video in the detail. Here we have one more option, image quality. This is a very important feature, like when we export as a PDD, so sometimes like image quality is very low and we cannot see every minor text details on that screenshot. It's like some blur type of image. We can just keep it as a high, and image size we can keep it as a large. Click export and click on save button. And we can just copy path here, and I just want to open that file. Click open file button. Right. So this is a predefined UiPath template. Right. So we have total execution time 52.8 second, process description, process full name. We have one process, two window, two which one? Two window, like this screenshot, this screen, I mean first screen, second screen. And actions, we have covered 5 actions, like multiple actions थे वहाँ पे, but we have merged like all of the actions. So total as of now we have 5 actions, 5 mouse click, 76 time I pressed key, like when I was typing the name. So every key is count 1, right? Total time, window name, like new tab. फर्स्ट वाली विंडो में एक माउस क्लिक है, कोई एंट्री नहीं है। सेकेंड वाली विंडो में 4 माउस क्लिक है एंड 76 टाइम आई प्रेस्ड keyboard key, right? And here we have the screenshots. As of now, we have very clear picture because we have selected high quality of image, and image size is big. Action title here, open URL, and action description, this one. Just copy and paste this URL. We have highlighter here, right? We have added this all the sequence and arrow key. This type of PDD we have exported, right? Done. If I want to export as a XAML file, modern activity or classic activity, which one I just want to choose. So as of now, I'll choose modern activity. Click on export and just click on save. Okay, so till now, guys, if you have any questions regarding UiPath or this process, task capture or any UiPath projects, you can ask me on my LinkedIn or Instagram and in the comment box. And guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.